শুভ রাত্রি, কেমন আছো সবাই? শুভ সন্ধ্যা, শুভ সন্ধ্যা, কেমন আছো সবাই? I just got my Alphanso Rock 22 amplifier. This is my first amplifier. I don't know how it's gonna work. I ordered it from Ben Music. I called them up around 12:30 at night, which is not a good thing to do, but they picked up the phone and responded very well. I called them day before yesterday, and today the parcel arrived. I'm really very excited to see my new amp. In fact, my first ever amp of my life. It's a 3-channel amp, and it's a 22-watt amp. Let's unbox it. Okay, this is the power cable. Okay, this is the top view. To take it out. Fortunately, I won't be able to test it because my guitar hasn't arrived yet, so I have to wait for that. Hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow the guitar will arrive too. And then I will be able to give a review of this amp. There is a separate input for the mic and the guitar input. Gain, I don't know what is it. What is this? On, off, I don't know what is this for. Oh, these are the equalizers, and this is the headphone. This is the master volume control, I guess. And I think there should be an overdrive button. I don't know. Looks okay. This is the auxiliary input. As far as I understand, this is the auxiliary input. So basically there are 2 channels. One channel is for guitar, one channel is for the mic, and one is an auxiliary channel, and one is for the headphone. This is the power line. This is the speaker out. Okay, seems okay. This is the power cable. This will go here. And nothing else. This is a 2-pin cable. I have a mic, so I can use the mic here, but I need converter. What a shame, I won't be able to test it. Okay, let's do another thing. At least I can check the auxiliary input, right? Okay, wait. Okay, let's check this amplifier's master volume level. This is the auxiliary input. I just connected it with my laptop. Let's play something here. Oh, I have to turn on the amplifier. Only 10% volume is increased by only 10%.
তুমি শীর্ষ অনুভূতির পরে
pretty good. Only 20% volume.
তুমি ভোর রাত্রি প্রার্থনা তুমি চেন নদী সুখের সেই শেষে হারিয়ে যাওয়া কেউ তুমি ভ্রান্তি নও বাস্তবতার শূন্য
So it's too late at night and too loud, so I'm not gonna test the maximum capability of this amp.
আর প্রতিঘাতে অস্থির রাজপথ তুমি আজও আগামীর মাঝে বেদনার
Not bad.
ক্ষত তুমি চাওয়া না পাওয়া থাকে অসমসমী করো
I hope you like this unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video, so I messed up many things, but this is the first time, so it's quite natural that it's not going to be good. I couldn't test all the options of this amplifier. This is a practice amplifier basically, but since my guitar hasn't arrived yet, I also ordered my electric guitar. I couldn't test the other option of this amplifier. Hopefully in the next video I will try to review the Alphanso 22 Rock 22 properly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.